A call for urgent national action is growing following the brutal killing of 10-year-old Shani Coke in Trelawny. Advocacy groups say her death highlights deep failures in Jamaica's systems meant to protect children. Grief and outrage continue to ripple across the country as Jamaicans grapple with the tragic loss of a child. The Office of the Children Advocate, OCA, in a statement noted that the tragedy is yet another painful reminder of the grave danger posed by sexual predators and of our collective responsibility to protect children from abuse, exploitation, and violence. At the same time, the OCA condemned the mob killing of the accused, explaining that those responsible for crimes against children must be brought to justice through investigation and the lawful processes of the courts. In the meantime, the Jamaica Youth Advocacy Network, JAN, is calling for the immediate convening of a joint select committee of Parliament to review legislation, policies, and the performance of agencies responsible for protecting women and children. According to the group, existing legal frameworks are too fragmented with overlapping gaps that weaken enforcement and leave vulnerable groups exposed. The call comes amid ongoing national focus on crime, which has largely centered on gang-related violence, while family and gender-based violence often receive less targeted attention. In its 2025 Youth Against Violence campaign, JAN says young people identified family violence and abuse as critical issues that must be treated as a national priority. Recommendations include expanded public awareness campaigns, increased support services for survivors, and specialized training for teachers, healthcare workers, and social service providers to identify and respond to abuse. The group is also urging greater investment in programs targeting boys and young men aimed at preventing harmful behaviors and promoting positive role models. JAN maintains that the national response must shift from reacting after tragedies to preventing them before they occur.